This video is a proof that any place on earth can be modified to look exactly like that of US, UK, Europe, Asia, and other beautiful parts on the world. I started this video from Mawanda Road, where they are renovating that road, and then I took you around Acacia Mall and Acacia Avenue. Guys, just know it's massive. Let's go. Yes, welcome guys to my channel. It's Mr. June 256 Aichiba from Kampala, Uganda, and I'm still on the course to show you developments around Kampala, infrastructures, new roads, new buildings, new streets, changes on streets, updates on streets, renovations. So today I'm at Mawanda Road. This is Mawanda Road, Molapo, and this is to Acacia Mall, Acacia Avenue, that road up to golf course. So we're gonna take this direction. Renovated, they have expanded it, and they are putting tarmac. So I've started from here around Mawanda Road Police, and we are heading to Acacia Avenue and Acacia Mall. So let's start from here. Not wasting time. Subscribe, share my videos, please. Leave a comment. I need to know what you think about Kampala renovation and updates that I'm giving you. So let's go. Let's start from here. We're gonna explore this place from here up to Acacia Avenue. If you're not my subscriber, consider subscribing. Hit the bell button so that you can be notified about my newly uploaded videos. Share my videos, put a comment. Let's go. Yes, so this is Mawanda Road, and it's the route that we are taking today. It's Mawanda Road. That's as usual. There's first constructing the drainage system. I think they are already done with that, so they are now on the road. So we're gonna cross that side, or if not, we can just start our journey from this side. So you can see there are supermarkets along this road. So that road goes up to Gaza Road, Kalerwe, that side. So for us, we are taking this side up to Acacia Mall. So you can see supermarkets around. There are supermarkets here. It's a very beautiful place. It's Mawanda Road. You can see buildings, supermarkets, farmers, and all that side. So for us, we are taking this side. You can see that is a quick sale supermarket over there. Yeah. So they are still renovating. Don't mind about water on the roadside. Rich neighborhood. Yeah. And Mawanda Road is an ideal place to live for those that are looking for better places around Kampala. So something like 2 miles from the city center. That's where you find Mawanda Road. You can see rich neighborhood. Yeah. The apartments are dominated by Indians, but even Ugandans can rent, and other people. So let's walk. That's Silver Lane Condos. It's an apartment, and there are some other stores. Yeah, it's a tall building. Very tall. Silver Lane Condos. It's over there. So this is where you find Homies Darling Primary School. It's down there. It's a very expensive school, modernist school. Yeah, it's found down there. Homies Darling Primary School. It's found down there. It's called Chifumbira Road. That road that goes to Homies Darling, it's called Chifumbira Road. So over there you can see rich neighborhood around. The apartments, Airbnb, they are all here. And you can see other apartments that are coming up, that are going up. So Mawanda Road is a very nice place. Let's continue exploring Mawanda Road. You can see each neighborhoods and all that. You can see Royal Agrovet Limited. It's a supermarket. So you can see structures that are coming up. Very beautiful. Mawanda Road. That's plot 211 Mawanda Road. So you see Mediquip. I think they deal in medical services and all that. So I think you can see they are constructing here. The ports. Yes, how are you? Let's walk. Yeah, very close from here. And of course the other side. You can see we're trying to work on drainage system. We're trying to work on drainage system. This is Mawanda Road. You can see the apartments and all that. Oh, very nice, very nice, very nice. You can see that they are working on drainage system. They are fixing drainage system here. Yeah. So you can see upcoming reportage. Yeah, it's a reported Delhi Harbor. Okay. It's Mawanda Road. This place is dominated by Indians. Most of the apartments. That's where we come from. We are heading to Acacia Mall. You can see how smooth the road is. You can see how smooth the road is. Very smooth, very smooth. So this is corner house over there. That's the corner house. Corner house Mawanda Road. I think that's where Mawanda Road starts from. So after there, we're gonna connect. We're gonna cross Kira Road up to Acacia Avenue. So it's the place. They're having here a Mela supermarket. Mela supermarket. So here at corner house, we have It's called Bliss Bond Bakery. That's it. And the word pharmacy. Having here a lot of service, skill dental surgery for how and all that. So this corner house, and from here gonna connect to that's and that you can see Mawanda Road over there. That's an post. It's reading Mawanda Road. So Mawanda Road starts from here going this side. Then the other one is Tagore Crescent. That one there goes going up. It's Tagore Crescent. These are Tagore apartments. Those are Tagore apartments over there. So those are Tagore living. You can see beautiful apartments here. You see all beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, you can see all those design, Indian design. The only Indians that are residing in this area here. There are mostly Indians here going that side. So this road, this is called Tafnel Drive or Tafnel Road. It connects to Kamocha Center there, Chira Road, Kamocha Market, that one there. So this one connects to Chira Road. And after crossing Chira Road, we join Acacia Avenue. So that's Tafnel Drive there. So this, they removed the signpost. It was there. They removed it, but I cannot recall the name of this road. But then we are connecting to Chira Road, City Oil. That's City Oil Junction, Acacia Mall, and that. So let's reach there and see. So this is Mawanda Road. This is the Tagore living. It's a Tagore living. You can see Tagore living over there. So that's their entrance. Very nice place here. You can see that side, which neighborhood. So this Kololo, if we go straight, we are going to Kololo. If you take this direction, you're going to Kamocha. If you take this, you're going to Mulago Hospital and the city center. So let's take that of Kololo and we join Acacia Avenue. So you can see Simba Automotive here. That's where they sell Simba TV, all no, Simba bikes. Yeah, they are sold there. So that's City Oil. That's City Oil over there. So that road goes to Kampala City Center via Mulago, Wandegea, and all that direction. This direction over here, it goes to Ntinda, Bukoto, Naria, and all that side. So I'm gonna cross from here. You see that police officer who trended of recent, Afande Tumusime, who trended of recent. We saw him when it was raining on him, and many people reacted on him, considering him as a good police officer. So he's over here with this junction. So I don't know whether I shall get time and say hi to him, but he's busy. But this is the place then. This Acacia, this Chira Road goes to Chira Police Station, goes to Ntinda, all that direction. This is the road from City Center via Wandegea Mulago Hospital. So let's cross and take Acacia Avenue. Let's wait. I have to wait a bit. And see, I wanted to see me over there. I think you remember him. Yeah. The very hard-working police officer. So I wanted to see me. I don't know that we've seen him very well, but he's over there. So this is State Oil.
It's a very prominent place here. They have Cafe Java, they have on the go shop, shoppers and all that. Yeah, they have good service, motor service here, city tires and all that. So it's a good place over here. It's around Acacia. It's next to Acacia Mall. And this is the Acacia Mall. It's the Acacia Mall. Starrock Road. This Starrock Road is this one here. It goes up to Endiro Coffee. Rohana School. There's a Rohana School over there. But for us, we're not taking this direction. Let me just try to say what's there. So you find a lot of bars there. There are beautiful places for recreation. That direction over there. There are all ATM banks along this side of Acacia Mall. Behind the side, you can see the Abisas, there are Stanbics, there are Standard Chartered, there are all banks around here. And this building here has each and every service that you need around Kampala. So if you visit, I think if you visit Acacia Mall, you won't need to get out. Every kind of service, you find it there. So I don't know whether I can. Let me first try to cross and show you a little bit, a closer view of City Oil before we continue. A little bit. And this City Oil belongs to Mandela Group of company, owns State Tire, City Oil, Cafe Javas, Savers, all that. So it's a very big company. It's a very big company. So that's Acacia Mall. That's Acacia Mall. And this is City Oil. This is City Oil. You can see they have fuel, they have Cafe Javas. I don't know that you can see. They have a very big parking down there. Very big parking. So let's take this direction. This is the Acacia Avenue or John Babiha Road. You either call it Acacia Avenue or John Babiha Road. It's a very nice place. It's a very nice place over here. So, yes. So this is the CO parking. It has the upper parking and then the underground parking or basement. So this you can see the basement over there. I can see it. Yeah. So let's take Acacia Avenue. You can see Carrefour Market. They have Waikiki, is it LC, Waikiki, and all that. We have the Cube. Guys, I think I should take you a little bit to try to enter that place. I want to enter inside the mall, but then I just want to show you a little bit on the entrance. Let me be safe there. Yeah, we are still along Acacia Avenue, Ojon Babiha Road, but then I just want to take you. That's where you come from. That's the direction to Mawanda Road, Chira Road. That's where you found Chugume in action. So I just want to take you a little bit. Then we shall come back and continue with our vlog along Acacia Avenue. So let's cross. Yeah, they have a beautiful garden over here. It's a very beautiful place. I don't know whether these security guards will. So it's a very beautiful place. It's a very beautiful place for meetups and all that. So one time I'll make a video here. It's a very nice place for meetups, for conference and all that. Shopping. You can see the first entrance. That's the first entrance. You can see there are beautiful places here for coffee, shawarma. So this is the Acacia Mall main entrance. Looking nice. Looking nice, very beautiful. So just wanted to show you a little bit of the place. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So it's Instagram 256. Don't forget, if you're not my subscriber, consider subscribing, sharing, leaving a comment. Tell me, what should I do? Which type of content do you enjoy on this channel? Because I need me together with you to shape this channel to be the best channel from Uganda. So that's the cube. Yeah, it's both the parking and shopping, whatever there are shops there. There are service salons, what liquor, cosmetics, what they are all there. Coffee shops. Yeah, they are all around this place. So let's go and continue with our Acacia Avenue vlog. Just wanted to take you around. So that's the side where I was telling you that it connects to Endiro Coffee. You can see that kind of forest. Yeah, that's the Endiro Coffee. This is the Cube. That's the Millennium Supermarket. It's a very good supermarket here. So
take a Facebook.
So let's go back to Acacia Avenue up to golf course. It's one day I'll come and then I'll enter inside, show you everything beautiful here. You can see the Max pharmacy over here. Yeah, you can see the food, the eats and all that. How? Let me try to show you a little bit what you can find over here. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. We have the shawarma. You see, very beautiful shawarma over here. So if you're looking for the best shawarma, it's here at Acacia Mall. Wow. Yes. Very nice meeting place and all that. So this is where you find the Capital FM. The Capital FM, I only know there, is it called Mbabazi and Gaetano. That's the only whatever I know there about Capital FM. So that's the Acacia. It's very beautiful, very tall, very big, beautiful, with all services. So let's continue to Acacia Avenue. So most people think I'm a Congolese, guys. I'm not a Congolese, I'm a Ugandan. Only that I look like Congolese, guys. And sometimes I struggle speaking Swahili and Congolese when I find them, because even if I meet them, they think I'm one of them. They think I'm a Congolese, yet I'm not. I'm a Ugandan from Eastern Uganda. So I hope you remember Straight Talk. I forgot to show you this part. Remember Straight Talk, Young Talk. Yeah, this is their office here. Used to read these Straight Talks and Young Talks. Straight Talk was for secondary schools, and then Young Talk was for primary schools. So that's their office over there. Straight Talk. They used to talk about issues that are concerning teenagers, especially those in adolescent stage. They used to advise them, give them three tips, educate them how to go through that stage, adolescent stage. That's what the purpose of the Straight Talk. Then Young Talk was to tell young girls and young boys to avoid sex and to protect themselves from sexual harassment. So this junction is the route to Sudiru's place. Sudiru Pareria residence is up there. That's where you find Pareria residence. It's called the Kololo Hill Drive. It's called the Kololo Hill Drive, and this the Acacia Place. That building there is the Acacia Place, where you find the MLS, ALA, and other services. It also have a lot of services. You can see Bank of Africa, you can see Java House, you can see there are a lot of services here. Coffee shops, restaurants, and all that. On this side, you're having K and K chambers, Uganda Law Society houses over there. So, that's the Acacia Place, and those are the services that you can find there. Buffet lunch, you can see there. Raiders Lounge. Raiders Lounge, I think it's a restaurant. So you can see traffic jam on their side. It's too much because it's time for this route comes from city center. That's why in the evening the other side gets congested as people rush back home. So they are coming back from home, from town to home. That's why you see that such congestion. You can see that's a Committee International, Geneva. I think it's from Switzerland there. The city ambulance, yeah, the city ambulance over there. So that's the H2O. This kind of a number, so yeah, but that's the H2O, and that's where we come from. So after H2O, we are heading towards this side. So this catwalk, you can see that's the inside of catwalk bar, catwalk lounge and bar. So even an advert, I think they're about to host what Low Out Stage featuring Afrigo Band. Yeah, Afrigo Band is coming over there. So this is Mabua Road. Yes, yeah. So that's Mabua Road, and this road goes to Kaboja. There's Kaboja Primary School. There is Chitante Secondary School. There is Mezo. I think you heard about Mezo and all that. You take that direction. So let's find where to cross. So this is Mabua Road. It goes up to Kololo Airstrip. It goes up to Kololo Airstrip. And that's where you find Interpol, International Police Office over there. We are still along Acacia Avenue or John Babiha Road. So we try to cross the other side. That's where we've come from. Coming evening, and we are heading this side. So let's try to cross. Yes, these bubbles. Yeah. There are some weekly days where you find when this place full of cars. These bars, they don't work on weekend actually. For them, there are some weekends, but they are mostly busy on weekly days. They have their specific days. One of their entrance over there. It's Aula and bubbles over there. So there is Khan Kazan. I think Kana Kazan, I think it's an Indian place. It's over there. It's either a restaurant or quickly, so you can see Sinok. It's a Chinese company dealing, I think, in oil and all that. It's the Sinok. So guys, it's Mr. June 256, and I'll be taking you around Kololo. We started from Mawanda Road, Molago. We crossed Chila Road, joining this Acacia Avenue Road, and we are still continuing. And we are about to end our videos in the next few minutes because we are approaching our destination. We are approaching our final day. So it's a nice place over here. Yeah, that's here, Reno Care. Reno Care, I think they are in Health. It's the hospital over there. Hey, say hi. Hi. So this DFC. Yeah, there are beautiful apartments here. You can see. I don't know whether light can allow us to. Yeah. So behind those buildings, that's where you find Chitante Valley. And that's where you find Chitante Primary there down. After that, you join Molago, the other Isufurule Road. So this is the Casablanca. And I wonder why this is the Casablanca, guys. And I'll be telling that that one there. It's the Casablanca bar and restaurant. I've been telling you that I wonder why Casablanca is a city from an Islamic country. So I think Casablanca is a city in Morocco. Morocco is an Islamic country. They don't drink alcohol. But then I wonder, see Casablanca here, which is a bar, guys. It's a bar. So I don't know where they got that name, but then it's there. It's a nice place for those that enjoy liquor and all that. It's a very nice place there. Yes. So if you come in night and see, if you go straight, you go to Nakasero. If you go this side, you go to Lugogo. Then this is Windosa Crescent. That junction there takes you to Windosa Crescent. That Windosa Crescent is the one down there. So this one goes to Lugogo via Kololo Airstrip. And that road is called Upper Kololo Terrace. This Upper Kololo Terrace, I'll show you the Lower Kololo Terrace. This is the Upper Kololo Terrace. That's Makindu Lane that connects you to Windosa Crescent. So that's the road to go via Kololo Airstrip. That one there. Let me find. So this is the Protea Hotel by Marriott. It's the Protea Hotel, the fencing. Let's approach their side and see their gate. Guys, don't hesitate to tell me which kind of content you want me to give you. Which kind of content you enjoy most. Leave a comment. Don't go. If you watch this video from the beginning to the end, at least put a comment. Yes, comment about something. You can comment about the road, you can comment about the buildings, you can comment about the streets and all that. So, don't just go without commenting, without leaving a comment. So that's cask bar. Yeah, it's there. I forgot to show you that cask bar. Yeah, it's over there. It's also a nice place. Only that it's in the sun, the direction of the sun. There's a nice place over there. So this is the Protea. You see beautiful places along this road. This is the 4 Points by Sherston. This is the 4 Points by Sherston. Let me try a bit. So this is Elgon Terrace. It goes straight to Kololo Airstrip gate. So let me just try to take you around. I don't know whether they stop me from filming. I'm not so sure, but that's the place. 4 Points by Sherston. It's a nice place, nice looking. So it's a very nice place. Very nice place. Points by Sherston. Then I choose to end my video from here. Thanks for watching. And see, that's a Protea Hotel. Very beautiful place over there.